Hi, I'm Adrian. I'm the manager of Grease Monkey Autowerx. Probably started back with my father and my brother working on cars as a young teenager, fixing from doing brakes to the service to doing an engine swap. And as my brother got his license and he started working on his car and doing more performance work on that, it's probably led me into wanting to become a mechanic and start my apprenticeship. What makes our business unique is a variety of things. We are very personal with our customers. They are our family. We consider them our family. We also have a bit of a quirkiness with our logo and our approach on things. And we do a variety of work as well. So we're that one-stop shop from your tyres to your brakes to your logbook servicing to your performance upgrades. It started with wanting to provide a service that was lacking in the industry, where customers weren't being informed of what was actually necessary to do to their car and unnecessary, and just providing that education to our customers and that honesty. The keys to our success is hard work, honesty, trust, dedication. My partner Erin has been of massive support, and just being consistent with what we do. We here at Grease Monkey Autowerx provide a comprehensive and convenient vehicle maintenance experience, from general servicing to major repairs.